So I fixed my internet issues. And we're just going to take a look at the most basic indicators of the market, and that would be Coinbase.com. Click on prices. Market is up 1.44%. Cyber Network's up 13. Most visited. Oftentimes there's a lag on most visited. You'll see some coin that hasn't pumped yet as the most visited, and then a couple days later or a day later they pump. Ethereum's up 3.3% today. Let's get out of there. Let's just go to tradable assets or gainers. So it's Kyber Network, Tezos, Matic, of course, Solana. Solana just got a $450 million crowd fund to combat Ethereum with better, faster, cheaper DeFi. And Cardano, did I say Cardano? Solana raised 450 million to combat Ethereum DeFi, and Cardano launches smart contracts in mid-July. So we're almost there. As I always say, Kusama is going to continue to outperform Polkadot. Continue to. Is Polkadot even on the list? Yep, down here at 2%. Atom Cosmos is a great blockchain that focuses on interoperability. The graph is a great oracle, pretty much, that allows developers to access GraphQL databases. Algorand is smart contracts. Notice smart contracts and interoperability are the theme, and Web3 protocols like storage, which runs on IPFS. Teller came out of nowhere. I don't know much about it. Good to see Ethereum up 3.3, Synthetics up 3.2, Aave up 3.1, Anchor, Yearn. These are all good projects. OMG might make a big move. There's some big news coming out for OMG, and it is down 60%. It had a high of $15 there, 15.50. Great. Let me join the chat on YouTube here. Yeah, Jack Dog, I did end the stream, but then I had internet problems. I gotta go in here and set a setting to not for kids. I gotta do this every time when I use Restream. And change the thumbnail back to this, not for kids. Science and technology, sure. Very good. Edit. Looks good to me. So let's look at the Atari chart. See if the price is moving at all. Because apparently Prince Marcus is posting 12,500 wallets. We are growing as the market cap went up much. Fred, is there an AMA right now? Fred is the CEO. Let's see what Fred's got to say. Strange we caught this live. Is this a surprise AMA? We'll come back and see what Fred is typing. Fred Chesnais, the CEO of Atari. Yeah, let's look at the price chart and see what Fred's saying. He's typing a lot. There's supposed to be news right after the fight. There was supposed to be news right after the fight. Period. So let's see if anything's being hit. He's still typing. Let's go to the trading view, full featured chart. So it is a great buying opportunity for the Atari token if you believe in it. Just a couple weeks ago, it was up to 66 cents. Volume has not gone up yet. There's not too many places to buy Atari right now, so hopefully the announcement tonight is a fiat on ramp to buy Atari or a bigger exchange like Binance. Yeah, Fred stopped typing. That's crazy. Anyway, the market's up. I think OMG can pull a fast one. It's a scaling solution for Ethereum to make transactions quicker and faster. And the market is up 1.31%. Top movers in a week. Top gainers in a week. Theta, Solana, Theta Fuel and Theta, Solana, Kasama. Polkadot is down here at 21% in the week. And Kusama's up here at almost 40% in the week. Away she goes. So there's actually some pretty good weekly gains on a lot of things. Things have been bouncing back. I don't see Cardano on this list. But Cardano should still be a top gainer on the month. Yeah, 4%. Not many are up on the month. Matic, Theta Fuel, Cardano, and Shiba, of course. And Dogecoin, is it officially tradable? Yep. Cool. It's officially tradable here on Coinbase.com. Up 23% in a week. Jack Dog said Atari has tried to hold 15 cents several times since the big crash. Historically, when Atari breaks above 15 cents, it makes a huge upward movement. which is only one time, lol, since it's only 6 months old. That's right. That's what I was about to say, which is only one time. This is the entire chart. It had a historic high of 57 cents, or 58 cents. I think as high as 71 cents on some exchanges. We're back to prices that got it in November when it first launched. But this is typical with new coins. Very typical. We should see some strong movement once they launch everything. They're launching their own exchange. Hey, look at this guy's prediction. Oh, we'll break 15 cents. That's no problem. We don't even have to go far for 15 cents. Here's the Atari Bitcoin valuation. Technicals say sell. Oh, they're talking about Bitcoin. All right, 15 cents is right here. We wicked way above it a couple days ago. We wicked above it. We wicked above it 3 days ago. We can get those wicks up there, but we just can't get those candle closes. We end up with such short candles. This was a nice buy-in, and then it was downhill from there. There's not really too much to go off of. There's not a lot of data points, like you said, but this is typical for new cryptos to have an initial launch, then a pullback, and then it gets listings and all sorts of use cases and just keeps growing and growing in market cap. Let's see if Fred has said anything here. Yes, he did. Hi, everyone. Thanks for the support. My admiration goes to the two fighters. Logan did it, frankly. This needs a huge heart, not to mention the physical performance. Respect. Okay, what about the token? He posted pictures circling the Atari logo all the time. Stupid. He did do good. I'll give him that. Floyd don't look too big there. Paul's bigger than Floyd. All right. And that's all he said. Let's check out Prince Marcus's TikTok. This must not be the right one. Or is it on Instagram? I think that's where he's putting everything. Yeah, there we go. Nah, because where's those new videos? Yeah, where's this coming from? Is that like a Facebook? Yeah, whatever. Could have been prison markets that dumped. Could have been. Yeah, well. Okay. Sorry, token. Videos. And they didn't upload anything. Alright. Welcome back to Crypto Lodge. Again, we're talking about the Atari. Yeah, if we can get past 15, you're right. Jack Dog said if Bitcoin fails to break 40K, we are heading to 20. I don't get as concerned as everyone else. Cheaper prices mean more money for us in the long run. Plus, cheaper prices for longer periods of time means that we can, do our 9 to 5s, our side hustles, and buy weekly. And it's healthy. So in order for Atari token to break 15 cents, it's got like 2% to go. And it wicks above it all the time. I do want, you can't really go too further in with the small cap chart or it starts to look crazy. But the volume is not up, which I don't like on the day. The volume should be up on the day. There's no place to buy it. There needs to be a big announcement. They said there was going to be an announcement after the fight, like right after the fight. I figured it was bullshit. So we need to go up 13% and close the candle. I think Atari will reach $30 and more, in my opinion. More, I think Atari could be $100 token one day, hundreds of dollar token one day, could be. Hi Shittenand. Hope I pronounced that right. Welcome to Crypto Lodge. Like and subscribe. So yeah, if you think 15 cents is resistance, I really don't. I mean, we did wake up to it 3 days in a row and closed below it. It's 14% from here. We just went up 13% today, maybe a little higher by now. The problem is there needs to be places to buy it other than Uniswap. Not months, years. You should wait years. If you're actually trying to get rich with crypto, you should wait years, not months. Don't kid yourself. Don't listen to anyone that tells you otherwise. Buy the good projects and hold them for years. And don't sell them under any circumstances. Let's see, if we just have natural growth like we had before, we'll probably see resistance right here at 57 cents for sure. And a bounce back down, and it'll be $1 in no time. Look at the market cap. It's under $80 million. That's ridiculous. Market cap 81 million. It's going up. Oh, 70 million. Still under 80 million. It just dropped again. The volume's up 31% today. It's not a lot. They got the max supply wrong. 5 billion were burned. So it's not 8%. It's more like 88% is circulating, because that number divided by 2 billion, 2.7 billion, it's more like 88%. Jack Dog, I can't see Atari moving down. We are at the bottom, like the bottom that it's ever been. This is the historical bottom. I mean, we could go down. We could go down to 3. I mean, if we went down to 3 cents, the market cap would be like $20,000 or 20 million. But that's just ridiculous. We don't know if it's coming to Binance. The news was supposed to indicate that it was coming to Binance very soon, like within the next couple of weeks. But it should have some major exchange announcements coming soon enough. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, Atari should be coming to major exchanges very soon. They have an Atari credit card coming out. They're starting a chartered crypto bank for crypto custody. All sorts of things. Well, I hope it gets back up there. I'm sure it will. This is Luna. The best gains, I believe, are in Phantom, because if you take a look at from current price to make a new maximum high, that's 180%. Okay, maybe not. Ren protocol might be in for some of the best gains as a mid cap, because we had dropped. Okay, yeah. So to make a new high for Ren, we've got to go up almost 300%. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. And that's not following the trajectory I plotted out for it, but I knew it wouldn't. How much Atari do I have? Check Dog said, wait 6 weeks. Hopefully Atari will be trading in the 30s. I think we're going to see this resistance right here and then a leg up to $2 for Ren Protocol. And we're sitting down here at 54 cents. That's 273% gain in 33 days. If we see the bull market return, we got the U.S. stimulus coming, a massive stimulus. July 15th, the direct deposits start going out to so many people, a whole lot of money. No, this is not marijuana. This is nicotine vape. Harmony 1, I think, has a lot of gains in it. To get back up to its prior high, it's got to go up 130%. Ren, we showed 270. Phantom, there's two trajectories I plotted out. Both of them are pretty bullish. This one is 145% gains in 24 days. This one is 200% gains in 46 days. But we got to get all the way up to 180% gains just to break a new all-time high, which I think these new all-time highs are coming right around the corner. Here's Luna. It's definitely going to come up and bounce off the all-time high and then break right through it. Up towards $35, then to 50, then to 100. It's a great blockchain. Solana we should be looking at too, but I'm not going to stream too long. So again, we'll bounce off this all-time high, and then for Cardano, we'll bounce off 230. Maybe not. Maybe we'll shoot right through it. But mid-July is when it's going to start taking off like a rocket. Ethereum, right on track with my prediction. It went above my prediction. Now it's right back on. I think we're going to see bullishness back into the market. It's just my opinion. Sue me if you want. But I like to look at weeklies. Weeklies really show you. We just had 3 weeks back up in a row. 3 weeks straight. Closed up in a row. You know what they say after 3 closing week candles? Three green candles. It means there's going to be more. Usually don't find just 3. It's hard to find just 3. Usually when there's 3, there's more. There's 2, there's 1s, there's 2s. But usually when you find 3 in a row, there's more. Here's 3 in a row, then a red one. There's an exception. We had to go all the way back to 2018 to find an exception. And from the beginning, there's only that one time where we had 3 green weekly closes in a row and then red. The rest of the time, as long as we got at least 3, we get more. 3, we get more. 2, we don't get more. 1, we don't get more. 2, we don't get more. 2, we don't get more. 3, we get more. 3, we get more. 3, we got one more. 3, we get more. 3, we get one more. 3, we get one more. And we got 3. So let's see what happens. We're probably getting more. Satvit Narayan. Narayan. Did Atari increase its coin circulation? Yes, it's not reported on CoinMarketCap, but 5 billion of the 7.7 billion were burned. They were sent to the Ethereum burn address. Therefore, the circulating supply of 8% is now somewhere around 88%. Which is beyond me why the price has not gone up yet. Because it's not listed on CoinMarketCap, that's why. But for you people out there wondering when to buy, I'm not a financial advisor, but when you're wondering when to buy, go to the weekly, and if you see 3 weekly closes in a row, it's usually a good time to buy. In the whole history of Bitcoin, there has only ever been 3 in a row right here that resulted in a red candle afterward. But as long as you get 3 in a row, 1, 2, 3, you get more. 1, 2, 3, you get more. 1, 2, 3, you get more. 1, 2, 3, you get one more. 1, 2, 3, you get a bunch more. 1, 2, 3, you get one more. 1, 2, 3, you get one more. And now we just got 1, 2, 3. So we should get more. If you like the content, guys, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. The Atari token is what I'm most bullish on. Well, Cardano is what I'm most bullish on. But as far as returns, with a small cap of 70 million, Ethereum's at what? Let's go to CoinMarketCap here. A Dogecoin's at 48 billion. So if Atari were to reach the market cap of Dogecoin, it would be a whole lot of money. It's 14 cents at 7 million market cap. 70 million market cap. So let's just say it's 15 cents for every 100 million market cap. So 48 billion. It's hard to do billion. 48. Actually, it's easier to do Google. 48 billion divided by 100 million. Okay, 480. So 15. That's a 7,200% gain. That's a 72x, 73x. If it reaches Dogecoin's market cap. Have I not been sharing my screen this whole time? Oh my God. Sorry, guys. There's my screen. I'm such a noob at streaming. So yeah, there'd be a 77,200% gain on the Atari token if it reaches the market cap of Doge. And I'm pretty sure Dogecoin. I'm pretty sure Dogecoin can beat. I mean, I'm pretty sure Atari can beat Dogecoin. But there's a lot of other good coins here that I recommend. Harmony One, ticker ONE. Ren, REN. Phantom, FTM. Luna, Terra, ticker LUNA. Cardano, ticker ADA. And if Ethereum's going to keep going, Ethereum's gonna get proof of stake worked out. I believe in 2.0. They're gonna get it worked out. Yeah, I can't believe I was talking about charts just looking at you guys. If you like the content, like and subscribe to Crypto Lodge. So these are pretty much the coins I'm most bullish on. Cardano is the bulk of my portfolio. Luna Terra, it's about 10%. Phantom's about 10%. Ren's about 10%. Harmony One's about 20%. All these coins have some great gains in them. They're mid caps with a lot of potential. Cardano's gonna blow up this summer with smart contracts. They have all these DeFi projects coming. Arrow Wallet, this is coming to Cardano in July. You can already buy the token. It's basically Trust Wallet, how you can access all sorts of DeFi protocols inside of MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Inside the Trust Wallet, you can access all sorts of DeFi protocols like SushiSwap, Uniswap, AnySwap, Waka Finance, any of that. Giro Wallet's the same thing, except it's cross-chain. You see it says Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Cardano. It's cross-chain DeFi. No more switching between multiple apps. Interchain and multi-chain capability. Effortlessly swap digital assets between chains. Built on Cardano. Keep more of your assets in your wallet by avoiding the high fees on Ethereum network. That's right. Token supply 500 million. That's a low amount. So for 2022 plus, it's lending, futures contracts, synthetic assets, and securities. That's the roadmap. And right now is swap cross-chain, staking, integration into the Cardano blockchain. Smart contracts go to mainnet on in July. Maybe at the end of this month, they said, but July at the latest. And then Q4, fiat on and off ramp. So you can just put your credit card into Garo wallet. CS swap liquidity integration, hardware wallet phase 1. There's faces behind it. I always love that. That's not an anonymous team. That's just one of the projects coming to Cardano. There's so many projects coming to Cardano. Let's go to Cardano ICOs. There's a site for that. I want to go to Charlie. It's the first oracle for Cardano. You can buy the token already. Cardano's decentralized oracle. I'm pretty sure it uses Wolfram Alpha. Data pulled from APIs, hashed on chain, and available to protocols as data streams. This is basically Link, Chainlink, the first mover on Cardano for Oracle functionality. And as you can see, it's cross-chain. It pulls data from KuCoin, Hotbit, Binance, Synthetics, Yearn, Maker, Compound, brings it all together. Trustless data feed network. Here's the tokenomics. 18% to seed, 20% to team, 13% private sales, 6% public sales, 31% liquidity pool and farming, dev pool 8%, reserves 1%, team 20%. Vesting schedule. So when can they dump? Gradually. Great. So there's not going to be any dump. What's Q4? Solidify niche in ADA ecosystem. Okay. I'm bullish on Charlie and Garo Wallet and all these new Cardano tokens coming. Go to CardanoAssets.com and see if they've updated this much. Let's see. This one called Beer. Epstein didn't kill himself. It's so funny. There's 5,426 altcoins ready to launch. How do I analyze a coin? Somebody asked in the chat. I look at GitHubs to make sure the GitHub is active. I look at tokenomics. I look at the maximum supply, if any, and the circulating supply. I look at the current market cap, and I look at the price per token as compared to the current market cap. And I read the white papers. That's pretty much it. Read the white papers. Let's see how the market's doing, up 1.31%. Gainers on the hour. Compound maker, loop ring, graph, VChain, Solana. Compound and maker up pretty good on the hour. Compound's up 5% on the day, and maker's up 4.5% on the day. Kyber killed it. They went up a lot higher, then dropped. So midday it was 289. I remember seeing it up like 20%. See if Fred said anything else. That was some bull. Bull. Look at all these people wearing Atari shirts there. That's cool. What do you mean insider's info? Over 1,000 new Atari wallets opened in the last 12 hours. I don't know about that. We'll have to check the on-chain data. I mean, nobody even sees this, and it doesn't say anything about crypto. They could have done a better job. Hmm. Atari was a proud sponsor, and we have much more than this in store, so stay tuned. Follow CEO of Atari Token, Ched Fresnason, for all the insiders info. So I guess you're supposed to follow these guys. Insider info. I'm not sure if they should be saying it like that. By the way, guys, go to my TikTok, tiktok.com/at CryptoLodge. See, tiktok.com/CryptoLodge. I want to add it to my list of live streaming because I live streamed to like 10 locations at once. So I need 1,000 followers. I'm almost at 400. So go just follow me there, please, so I can live stream there. I just made this video on the Atari token updates if you'd rather go watch that than this live stream. I can't believe he made 2 rounds. Pretty great. I mean, 8 rounds without getting knocked out. That's great. Okay, so type that in. Boom. And that was down. Okay, follow. I'm following. 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 Let's go see what. Let's go see what they're saying. Yeah, he had to circle the Atari, like, because you can't even see it. That's why. I mean, it was exposure. It was exposure. The Atari logo, I guess. Look how much bigger Jake is. I'm glad. I'm surprised he lasted 8 rounds with Floyd Mayweather, though. I am surprised. Right there's the Atari logo and Cash App. Dude, this whole event was sponsored by Crypto, Ether Max. Crypto is, I mean, it was at the same time Bitcoin Miami. These are the shorts he wore. Yeah, it was just moneymaker for both of them, Jerry. You're right. And thanks for subscribing, Jerry Sanchez. Welcome to Crypto Lodge. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you like the content. May 23rd was Atari's 41st birthday. Hello There Games and Chain Games to bring rhythm action beat legend to the blockchain-based esports platform. They did this like 3 times. This is the tallest building in the world in Dubai, and they uh, projected the Atari logo up and down it with awesome lights, like 3 times in a row, along with the Phantom logo, which gets people thinking that they've been working with Phantom on the new updates. And here's the whole thing: ICICB. ICICB which is the bank that they work with, that they're opening a crypto charter with. And that was the Phantom logo in the beginning there. Up top, blue one. Phantom. It's a blockchain. Atari, ICICB. Atari is launching a crypto credit card where you can go to stores and you can spend your cryptocurrency, no matter which cryptocurrency it is, in your Atari wallet. You can spend it at the store as US cash. So that's awesome. I can't wait to get my Atari card. There's someone filming it from further away. How much does it cost them to do this on the tallest building in the world for 3 times in a row? Yeah, the Atari hotels are coming. Bondly. They partnered with Bondly, Decentraland, The Sandbox, Matic, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, you name it. All right, so let's look at what. Who is this? Chesney's Fred Ches. Is this two different? No, this is the same. Okay. Yeah, Atari better get listed. Atari better get listed soon on a top tier network. Or it needs to open up its AtariTokens.com to fiat and crypto. They need to open their exchange. See, I think Atari is planning on not so much. I mean, they definitely want to get the token listed on major exchanges to get liquidity, but they're starting their own centralized exchange right here, Atari Exchange. So Atari just started last year, November. So we give it some time, right? Atari just started. Let's take a look at the charts again. Let's close all this crap to the right. Actually, let me just yeah, see, it went up 16. It's up to 14. Atari tokens up to 14, up 14% today. It's like it goes up 1% a penny. Anyway, let's close this. And yeah, like I said, 3 weekly green closes in a row. 99.9% of the time means more green weekly closes to come. Because only once in Bitcoin's history have you ever seen 3 green weekly candles close in a row and then a red candle, which is right about it's back further. Right here, 1, 2, 3. That was in mid 2018. It's the last time we had 3 green candles in a row and then a red one. Any other time, as long as you have 3 weekly green candles close in a row, you get more. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. 1, 2, nope. 1, nope. 1, 2, 3, 2 more. 1, nope. 2, nope. 2, nope. 3. That's the only time it didn't happen. Then here you get 3, and then you get 4 more. Here you get 3, then you get 4 more. Here you get 3, then you get 4 more. That's the usual pattern. Here you get 3, then 1 more. Here you get 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Here you get 3 and 1 more. Here you get 3 and 1 more. Here we got 3. And this is where we stand today. So, could we see something like, let's not, get crazy. Hold on. Could we see something like these couple of bars next? We could. Or they could be a lot shorter. But they're likely to be green for the next couple of weeks because we had 3 green closes in a row. And this would be the second time in history the next week doesn't close green if we get a red week. But this week hasn't closed yet, so I may be speaking too soon. But as long as this closes green, that is bullish. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Crypto Lodge, the land of too many tabs and lots of charts and technical difficulties. You look at the ADA weekly, it's pretty nice. Here's 3 green, as long as this, well, maybe the rule doesn't apply for ADA, because here's 3 green and then a big red, but that was an unpredictable crash. Let's look back, 3 green, then 2 red, no. More often than not, 3 green means another green for ADA too. It's hard to find. There was only those 2 so far. Yeah, there's only 2 instances in ADA's history where 3 green weekly candles does not equal more green weekly candles, which is here. And we just kind of went flat and then we went up big. And here, right before this unexpected correction. Rough week that week, but we've come back a lot since then. Just think about it. We've come up 66%. We've come up 70% in 21 days with ADA from the crash. And I see ADA going to $10 by the end of the year. People can laugh at me for that, but I see that happening. When does the Jerry Sanchez, when does this close? I'm not exactly sure. Not exactly sure. What time do weekly candles close? Trading View. Trading View uses UTC. When does the weekly candle close? When do weekly candles close? UTC daily candle. Weekly candle closes when Sunday daily candle closes. Okay, so at 5 p.m. UTC is the same as my time zone, I think. So at 5, no, it's not the same. So it's 4 hours ahead of my time. So if they close at 5, 9 p.m. on Sunday. So that should have closed already. Today's Sunday. No, today's Monday. So that one just closed. So this one's not closing for a week, sir. This one's not closing until next Sunday. This candle just opened. So we got a long week to go to see if we get that third close. And if we do, that's a bullish signal. There are people that take out longs and take out leverage when they see that signal. It's on Sundays, Jerry. It said Sundays. The weekly candles close Sunday at the time of the daily candle close, which is 5 o'clock UTC. So this past weekly candle, just closed a couple hours ago today. And this one just opened, so we have a whole week. If you have a Telegram, Crypto Lodge does have a Telegram of under 100 people. So that 92 members. It's a pretty fun, cool place. We just talk about crypto. No shills. No one shills coins. A lot of updates on our favorite cryptos we tell each other. So that's t.me/the Crypto Lodge. I just got to plug that. If you have Telegram, join us. I mean, all in all, Bitcoin is still up 100% since the 2018 peak. S&P hasn't done better than that in that length of time. And from the bottom of March, still up 600%. ADA is even better from the bottom of March, which I think is, let me see. did we see much of it? I mean, ADA really didn't have a price to begin with. This was it. There it is. That can't be it. Is that really where things were? Oh, I need to be going to March 2020. That's my mistake. There it is. That's it right there. So let's just say it bottomed out at 2 cents there. Amazing. So let's see if I can get this all the way down at 2 cents. Change the scale so I can do my thing. All right, there's March 2020. Get it right at 2 cents. All right. So at the peak, it went up 12,000%. And as I'm projecting, if you held since March, you're going to be up over 14,000% by the end of July. But you're still up 8.4 thousand%. That's 84x, 85x. That's amazing. So Cardano's got the best chart. It's got the best gains. As you know, I'm bullish on Luna. I'm bullish on Phantom. Here's two different trajectories I plotted out. Neither of them are going to go exactly as I predict there, but I do see some great gains coming. 200% gains in a short period of time with Phantom. Amazing blockchain. And with Ren still has to come up 241% to reach its prior high. Check this out. I've never seen this in blockchain. If you go from wick to wick, why is that in my way? If you go from wick to wick, Ren dropped 98.7% during the crash. That is some epic drop. Jack Dog, why do I think Filecoin jumped 30% last week amid market weakness? I don't know. And storage is doing well. BTT's been doing well. I think people are gearing up for Web3, for decentralized cloud storage, decentralized file sharing, decentralized video streaming, all that. And things like Filecoin storage, Coin, IPFS, BTT, they all use IPFS, Interplanetary File System. And it's it's the backbone for Web3. Capiche? That's why I think it went up. And Bitcoin could all of a sudden just do this on us. And just go right past its all-time high. Might take a little longer. Bounce off 100K. Come back down to around 85K or something like that. It could happen. It could happen. Who knows what'll happen? We're either going to get a real strong, quick comeback mid-July or sooner, or we might have a long bear market, and we'll eventually hit 100K and bounce off it. Well, if you like the content, like and subscribe. Help me out with the algorithm. Comment on the video once it's uploaded. And I'll see you again. I live stream all the time and I post videos all the time.